hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' send another girl like Wiz Khalifa. Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing part 3 of reviewing Unicorn Slimy Slime Shop, most underrated slime shop ever. And yeah, I already did part 1 and 2, and I guess 3, because that was Sugar Plum, one I reviewed before. It was my first review. So yeah, but I'm super excited to show you guys the slime, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So the one we're going to be reviewing today is Pixie Dust. So this looks like a super pretty gold metallic shimmery slime, and yeah, it still has some bubbles on it, but that's fine, I guess. And I haven't played with any of these yet, so yeah. This one is probably going to be sticky just like the rest. Ooh, it is super pretty. Oh, it's actually not that sticky. Okay. Thought it was going to be sticky like the rest. Okay, I do think it is super pretty. Like, look at that. That is beauty right there. That's just beauty. Unscented, which I do wish it was scented, but let's see if we have the problem. Okay, it's not that bad. Again, it's not filled all the way to the fill line, but it's a little better than the other ones. Let me get it flat, because as you know, the other ones I always have a problem with them not being filled to the fill line. So it's not filled to the exact line, but it is a little bit better than the other ones. But yeah. Focus. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, part 3 or maybe 4, I don't really know, of me reviewing her slimes, Unicorn Slimy Slimes. This one I reviewed Pixie Dust. There will be one more part, so if you want to see that, please go watch it. And yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.